Welcome to our comprehensive guide on solving the dreaded stuck loading screen issue in Carx Street 2024. Let's dive in. First, let's explore some common causes of stuck loading screens. These can range from server issues, corrupted files, to graphics performance limits. Make sure your game is up to date. Check for any available updates and ensure that your game files are intact to avoid conflicts. If your performance is lagging, try adjusting the graphics settings. Lowering settings can significantly improve loading times and gameplay fluidity. Sometimes, all it takes is a fresh start. Simply restarting the game or your console/PC may clear temporary glitches. Check your internet connection and server status. A weak connection can cause the loading screens to hang indefinitely. To ensure smooth gameplay, consider clearing cached data and temporary files. This can free up space and enhance performance. If all else fails, consider reinstalling the game. This can resolve deeper issues that simple troubleshooting cannot. Don't forget to tap into the community. Experienced players often share tips and tricks that can help you get past loading screen issues. We hope this guide has helped you tackle the stuck loading screen issue. Keep troubleshooting effectively and enjoy your racing adventures.